Do you as a buyer know where to find your deadlines when you write an offer to purchase a home? I'm Stacey Christopherson, C4 Real Estate Team with Coldwell Banker in Station Park in Farmington, Utah. We've been doing a series of super quick videos on how to write an offer in a seller's market, which right now in 2021 in Utah is 100% a seller's market. So the first video, we talked about earnest money, we've talked about the sales price, home warranties, and then just some tips and tricks. Today, real quick, I want to talk to you about your deadlines. You'll find them on page 6 of your purchase contract, and you write these dates up, and the seller agrees to them when they go under contract with you. The first deadline is the seller disclosure deadline. This is when the sellers have to get to you the seller disclosures. It's everything they know about the house since they've lived there, improvements, latent defects, etc. If you read these and don't like something about the house and change your mind, you can cancel and get your earnest money back before your seller disclosure deadline. The second deadline is your due diligence deadline. This date is set and you have to have your home inspection done, homeowner's insurance, and discover and investigate everything about that house before that deadline, and you can cancel and get your earnest money back. The third deadline is your financing and appraisal deadline. This is kind of your lender's homework. So they will order the appraisal and they will make sure that you have final approval on your loan before this deadline. Your agent should be communicating with your lender and keeping you in the loop on the process of this. And the final deadline is the settlement deadline. In Utah, settlement is not closing. Settlement is when you sign paperwork. Closing is the day it funds and records. Sometimes we close or fund and record on the same day we sign paperwork, and sometimes it's the next business day. So keep that in mind. If you sign paperwork on a Friday, you might not get keys until Monday. Obviously, something you want to discuss with your agent. So check out all our videos on this playlist and stay tuned, subscribe to our channel because we have so much information for you. We want you to have the best experience when buying or selling your home here in Utah. So don't hesitate to give us a call if you have any questions, and thanks for tuning in.